Hi guys, this is JQ Official. I'm going to be teaching you how to make money with your TikTok account if you're in MENA region. That is the country based in the Middle East and North Africa, right? I'm using a Middle East account. I'm currently in UAE. So I'll be explaining to you with my own account. I currently have over 1.3 million followers. Now, let's go into the video. But you don't need a lot of followers to make money. You just need above 100 followers to be able to make money on TikTok. I'm going to show you how to make money with your TikTok account, right? Just follow the step. You click on the three lines by the top right corner of your phone. Then you click on TikTok Studio, right? Under post, you see under post, you scroll up, then you see monetization. Like I said in my previous video, your account is already monetized. Under monetization, my own monetization might be different from your own monetization. And the person that have 5,000 followers, 1,000 followers, and 100,000 followers, monetization will be different, right? So let me show you. Now, you click on this monetization button above. Now, you will scroll up. I want to show you how to know how to get your monetization now. Now, this is active programs. Under active program, you see work with artists. Now, this work with artists, if you click on it, you'll be able to see other or music that you can make a video with. And if you get more likes, you will get rewarded. Now, we don't have any campaign yet under work with artists, so that means the ones that are here has already ended. That means we cannot participate in all these ones. So if you have any campaign on your side, you can participate in it. You just follow the instruction. Now let's go back to the next one. The next one is creator marketplace. You click on it. Then under all this, now all these ones I've earned from all these ones before, right? Now, under this one, you will make sure you create your own profile. You see now that my profile is complete, 100%. So you click on your own profile, you put your information, all your information about you, the expected rate, what you want to collect. Let me click on the expected rate. My own charge is one minimum of 150 dirhams per video. I can change it to now to 300 because now I have more followers now. I created this when I have just 100,000 followers. Now I have more videos now, so I will charge 300 dirhams per video. Now that is my charge for new video. So I can even put it like maybe 1,000 dirhams per video, 1,000 dirhams per video, right? Or 4,000. Since I have up to 1 million, so let me go put a minimum of 4,000. Yeah, you see, sorry, TikTok even give me a rate that since I have more than 1 million followers, that other people, other creators, they get in between 4,000 dirhams and 29,000 dirhams per video. 30 seconds to 60 seconds video, they get up to this amount, right? So I'm the one that is charging low. Now I have to be getting a minimum of 4,000 dirhams up to 29,000 dirhams. But I'm going to fix my price later, so let me put 5,000 dirhams and save it. That is just for one video, how much I'll be charging. So it is TikTok that will source for brands for me, right? I'm not the one that will source for brand myself. TikTok will source for brand for me. Now, any brand that can pay me that, they will show my profile to those brands, and those brands will reach out to me. I would share with you now how brands used to reach out to me. I used to get a lot of contracts from this, but I don't used to have time to perform all the contracts. You understand? But make sure you build your profile here. Build your profile is very important. So 100%. Put your contact information. Put your brand preference. So any type of brand that you want to partner with, apps, wearable tech and service, you can click on add. Maybe clothing accessories. Let me add clothing accessories. You can add, I think, up to 4. Yeah, you can add up to 4. Like what you want to do. You understand? The industry you want to partner with, you can add up to 4. Let me remove this one and add another one. So after you finish adding it, then you save it. Then language, how many language can you understand? You can put all the languages you know. You can add it up to, you can add it here. Then content category, all the content, like your type of content, you can put it here as well. Yeah, just put it here, and they would be able to fix you into a particular category. Any brand that needs your service, they will reach out to you. Relationship creator, that's tag. So you can put any type of tag. Like if you're a musician, you sing music, you can put musician. Me, I'm not a musician. Lifestyle creator, let me put lifestyle creator. Gamer, fashion, beauty enthusiast, student relationship creator, pets, parents, travelers, and wellness creator. Okay, I don't think I have other distance that suits my distance more than lifestyle creator and professional office professional. No, and relationship creator. Okay, let me put office professional too there. Let me add office professional. So I can only add like three people, three things there. Then I've created out. That is my brand preference. Now, portfolio. This portfolio is very, very important. You have to, let me click on get it. See, these are the advert I've shot. Now you can put all the adverts in which of the all the brand adverts you've done. You can put it, upload it inside this your portfolio, or whichever video that you know that is doing very well. Just click on the portfolio, upload the video of the edited video you have done, add it inside the portfolio, and you'll be able to build your own portfolio from there. So when TikTok is helping you to reach out to brands on your behalf, they will show your portfolio to all those brands. You understand? That's the reason why you need to build your portfolio. So that portfolio is what they will use to reach out to you, that okay, you are a good video, you know how to make a good video. Okay, come and advertise for us, come and do something for us. Now, creator score. This creator score too is important. If brand reach out to you, you need to be able to submit your videos on time, right? And you need to create a original video. You see that I have like excellent score now, 76%, and that 76% is for those three brands that I've worked with in the previous. So they rate me that. Now that is how to go about this your social media feeling. Now all these things are brand adverts. All these things you see here. Now, if you click on checklist, all these ones, I've done all these ones. I've done all this. You see, this one, they will pay like 500 dirhams for if I make a video for them. This one, they will pay like $100 if I make a video for them. So they will add authorization. So if I click on this, I've authorized all these ones, so I don't even check these ones before. Okay, partnership disclosure. I don't have any brand I'm currently working with, so let's go to the next. This creator marketplace was where I went to the other time. Make sure you build this area. This area you will make more money here, right? Okay, in my collaboration, this thing I've been able to complete this one now. This one I've completed this one. I think they have not credited me for this one yet. So which one is pending? We still have three in progress. Currently. Yeah, all these three are still in progress. These ones, they have not sorted me out yet. Okay, so now how to get all these brand adverts. So these are opportunities. You see below this one, they say recommended opportunities, a top-notch cleaning solution. Now, if you click on this professional service now, they will give you how much will they pay if you advertise for them. They will pay 1,850 dirham if you advertise for this business. What did they want you to do? They say this is a cleaning company, deep cleaning company. They would show you. You click on their official website, read the instruction, follow the instruction, so you will be able to make a video advert for them. But if you check under deliverable, they say Arabic language. That means I cannot do this one. I don't know how to speak Arabic, so I cannot do this one. They want the video in Arabic. That's more of the disadvantage that we have. We are not Arabic speaker, that we are in Middle East. Now, majority of it used to come as Arabic, but you will still see some. Sorry, let me show you what I click. I click on under recommended opportunities, view all, right? It will show you all the brands that need creators like you and I to advertise for them. I've click on this top-notch cleaning. Just check any of it. You scroll down, you see the one that requires English. This is Arabic language. I cannot do this one. Go back. You look for the one that is English. This one now is English. They want English. They say submit video to brand December. This one has passed, but I can still apply. This one they will give 4,403 dirhams if I'm able to perform these tasks. Now you will read or how to join the project. You will read all these things very well. You read it, you understand. Then you'll be able to check it. This one has passed. So just read all these things. You'll be able to know which one you can go into. Now, this branded mission also, you can easily earn from branded mission, right? This branded mission, I think I've done one before and I won. Yeah, I did an advert for KFC. You can see on my dashboard now, this is my dashboard, one campaign, and they paid me 109 dirhams. So they paid for my video views and everything. So this is the first brand advert I ever got in my life. This one was how many years ago? I think, yeah, 2023. You see now, that was 3 years ago. Yeah. So since then, I did not even have time for all these things anymore. So all this campaign now, you can check it. This one is going to close like on Django Jasmine. You can click on it, check whatever they want. View requirement, you can click on view requirement. They say you make a video, they show you a sample video, click on the sample video, look at the video. This person is speaking Arabic. Oh, sharp, read on this thing, read all these things very well, understand it. If you don't understand it, if you know how to use ChatGPT, screenshot it and go and put it to ChatGPT. That ChatGPT should help you create a video to tell you what to do, the type of video you should create. Or you can click on this submission. You see all these people that have submitted their video, and you see how they did their own. You can check on their samples, and you can now use their own sample to make your own video. Then they will pay you how much? They will pay you $37 for this one. So all this one, you can do Nutella adverts, Ramadan Nutella, you can do. So all these things are campaigns that you can do, and you can make money from it, right? And that is for under branded mission. Drama, this one is people that are above 10,000 followers that can use this drama option. Yeah, people that you have to create a course. This is just a course. This is a course. You create a course, a video course, you upload it, then you'll be able to make money from it. Live reward. Make sure you turn on your live gifts. I think every one of you can receive gifts on your live stream. Subscription. If you have not set up your subscription, you click on this subscription, you will set it up, right? You can search on TikTok how to set up subscription. I don't have a new page that I can teach you how to set up your subscription, but you can type it on TikTok how to set up your subscription, then you'll be able to check on the video. TikTok shop for creators. We have TikTok shop for creators also here, but majority of the TikTok shop videos that I used to see there is Arabic that they used to say. So I do not do it actually. I don't know much about it, and I don't want to know for now because I don't want stress. But you can click on TikTok Shop for Creator. You can check it out. It's part of the monetization tools. You know how TikTok Shop for Creators will actually give you a lot of money. I think you have to be buying something, like you have to be reviewing it, buying products, reviewing it, and so check it out. Video gifts. If you are not up to 10,000 followers, you cannot turn on this video gift. This video gift is very important. See, these are the requirements. You have to have at least 10,000 followers. Your video must pass safety moderation. Your account must have been active, right? Minimum age. You need to have verified your age, right? An account not used by government. Then you now turn on your video reward. Kalas. So if you meet up those requirements, you are good to go with the video gifts. Now let's go to the next one. Life incentive program. Majority of you might not have life incentive program, but majority of you too we have. Now, this live incentive program, whenever you go live and you repost your activities, you see, guided beginner for their live stream like if you are newly starting live, you can make a screen recording of your how do I call this thing? Experience. Okay, you can make a video recording of your life experience, your first life experience. Then you come under this one. You can upload it. You can upload it here. Your first life experience, you can upload it. Just follow the step. Now, TikTok will pay you per click. If people click on that small live button, let me show you the small live button here. Let me show you a video. If people click on that small live button, okay, this one does not have. Let me see if I can see a video that have that live button. Go live. Okay, this one too did not have. So that go live button, you'll be able to see the video. You'll be able to see the go live in an area there. So I cannot see it in this one, but maybe I will show you maybe any of my videos that I have it there. TikTok will pay you per click. If anybody click on that go live on your video, TikTok will pay you. See, they are paying a lot of money for it. People are also earning from it. Me, I have not really earned because I don't really do it. You see, I only have 1 dirham 36 fees. So you can check on this one. No 1K follower needed to go live now. You see below, you people that are below 1,000 followers, you can actually do this one. No no 1K follower needed to go live now. You can actually do this one. You upload your video under this one. You talk about how you are able to go live. Make a screen recording of you going live without having up to 1,000 followers. Post it under this one. Let me teach you how to post now. You post it under that one, like this live incentives. Now let me do a video. Now let's assume I've made a screen recording, right, of what I'm talking about. I've made a screen record. Or let me start now, guys. I just discovered that I'm able to go live on my TikTok page, and I'm not having up to 1,000 followers. I currently have like 500 followers now, and I'm about to go live. Now let's go live together. Just make like a screen recording of what I'm saying, right? And you send it, guys. Next, and you will click on this. How to put that in? You click on add link. You see, you click on add link here, then you click on go live. You see go live here, go live. You click on go live. If you click on go live, then you will now come and look for guide beginner in their first live, how to earn on live stream. No, how easy is it to go live? And whatever you discuss, you now click on add link of that one. So you see that it will put that go live link there. So anybody that click on that go live link, they will definitely give you reward for people that click on that go live link. So you will just direct people that, guys, after you finish your recording, then you will tell people to click on that link to go live now. If they are not above, sorry, let me on my light. You click on people to click on that. The link is going to appear here. I don't want to post that one because people will rush my video, right? So you see, you are not seeing it, or just tell people that click on this go live link in order for you to go live. If you are not having up to 1,000 followers, whichever or how many people that click on it, they will pay you, I think, 1 dirham. They will pay you up to 1 dirham per 1,000 click, I think. Yeah. So that is that about that, and that is how to make money on TikTok.